Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Saturday, August 2nd, and the mint is flowering, and the bees love the mint, all types of bees. Got the honeybees on the mint here. I wonder if essential oils in the mint is beneficial to the bees, keeping the mite count low. I was wondering about that. But yep, they're working the flowers on the mint. But I'm out here in the backyard because I purchased a NUC. Told myself I wasn't going to do this, but ended up at the last minute calling up a place that I had purchased packaged from before up in Buxton, Maine. It's quite a ways from me. It took me 2 hours to get there. So sort of felt like I was committed as soon as I picked up the phone, and could have got more expensive because I started talking about possibility of 2 NUCs, because I was wondering what combination I should do, because packages were available too, and I wanted to just boost the 2 swarms that I caught, since they just seem to be holding their own and not progressing. But yeah, I ended up buying a NUC. It was $175, and I'm going to move them into this Frame box that I made this spring. Still have to make a spacer that has ventilation holes on it that I can put on the top underneath the cover, top cover. Yeah, so I dropped these off last night. It was already dark, and I guess they did their orientation flights this morning, and seem to be taking off, and I don't know if they're still orienting somewhat or bringing back whatever they can find in the new location. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this box and hopefully not get stung. Since I haven't been stung this year, I think the 2 swarms I got really don't have anything to be aggressive about. There's not much going on in them. So I'm going to go and transfer these bees into the hive box, 8 frames. So this here I just plopped down in the back of the yard, since it gets the sun the earliest. Has to come over the house from the east, and so it'll hit this box a lot earlier than where I have the other 2 NUCs placed. So I haven't leveled it off that much. I have a plastic stand I purchased when I first got into beekeeping. You get enthusiastic and you buy all this equipment. I haven't used it yet, so I should set that up. Maybe put that in the same spot here that I have the blocks currently. Yeah, just by accident, it's just about perfect. It tilts a little bit forward. I just need to put 1 shim in one corner, or 2 shims in one corner. Yeah, so that's surprising, because I just threw these blocks down in the middle of the night. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Whoops, that wasn't smart. I thought that was hinged. Oh, I forgot how heavy a frame could be. A lot of syrup in this. Nectar. Yeah, it's just filled with nectar and pollen. put a new empty frame in between here. Here's my first plastic frame. More nectar. Didn't ask whether the queen was marked or not. This is some pollen. Okay, so there's some brood. Pollen, got honey, stores up in the corners. It's good to see that. These seem these bees are a little bit small compared to the swarms I caught. Huh. Interesting. So there's more larva, capped brood. So let's see. Don't see the queen. Well, now there's a lot of capped brood there. Still not seeing the queen here. But if she's in here, there's a lot of nooks and crannies. The way these boxes are built. Alright, I found the queen, and hopefully I can okay, there she is right there. I don't know if you can see that. She's on this frame that has all nectar on it for some reason. Right there. Kind of small. Just like her sisters, or daughters. She's got her head stuck there in the cell. Alright, I'm going to put the frame in with just a starter strip, no foundation, see if they build some comb. and put that in between. There we go. So I'll put the inner cover on. And I'd like to get a little bit of ventilation, so I'm going to put 2 strips of wood underneath the top cover. Till I build that ventilating shim. And then just put this on top. And there's my first sort of artificial march, artificially induced march. Got to be hovering around my veil in front of my face. Yep, they're marching in, so they've caught the scent of the queen. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Put an apivar bar strip in there, since I have them. There's a honeybee reacting to a hive beetle right there. I just squished it, so... Oh, it grabbed it, took it away. So there's a new NUC setup. This is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.